So we know the Fed can reduce money supply. That helps with inflation. But you start looking at all the other factors. You have deglobalization, you have war, you have energy crises, you have fiscal spending, all this stuff that the Fed can't really do anything about. I mean, what do they do to attack those problems?
Nothing. It's not in their purview. So the idea that they control inflation because they control interest rates is a misconception. There's only a few things that they can control. And so we've gotten to this mode of people with PhDs thinking they can solve any problem in the world. So somebody who prints money or in theory takes it away, they very rarely do, all of a sudden is going to be the global climate change saviors. No. I mean, like, stay in your lane, focus on what you're good at, and recognize that you can't really impact supply and demand and energy. The Fed has nothing to do with how much oil is being produced here in the U.S. or by OPEC. The Saudis don't give a rip what the Fed does as it relates to their production capacity and what supplies they can bring on or take off stream. That's a major input. Deglobalization. We are less inclined to cooperate with China and a number of other trade partners over the last 2-3 years, and that sort of deglobalization process naturally ratchets prices higher. Mm-hmm. So we've got those inputs which are higher inflationary. We've got energy. We've got fiscal issues, which again deal with our treasury and the decisions that our legislators make in terms of what they want to spend. None of these have to do with decisions that Powell and the Fed can resolve. Mm-hmm. So the idea that inflation will go away just like that, I think people are missing that there are major structural changes which will keep inflation at an uncomfortably high level for many, many years to come. Is it going to be double digits? Probably not. But get used to a normal inflation rate of between 4 and 6% would be my guess.
Mm-hmm.